Now we're gonna cream the eggs with the sugar. First we're gonna put, this is gonna be in the small bowl. We're gonna put the 5 eggs together, and on a high speed I'm gonna cream them. It has to be fluffy before I add the sugar to it. Not gonna be as fluffy as you make it only with the egg whites, but you're gonna see what happens to it soon. Now I'm gonna slowly add the sugar. And I'm gonna continue to cream it until you're gonna see a nice lemony color. Plus the eggs mixture become more creamy. It's not gonna be so loose. Do it for about 2 to 3 minutes till you see that it's kind of nicely creamed. I'm going to stop and show you before I add the rest of the ingredients so you can see. You can see that it's nice and creamy, and the color is very light yellow. Now we're gonna add the vanilla and the baking powder. I'm gonna mix it a little bit more.